Hello guys, welcome to the channel. For today I made this chessboard including all the parts needed. If you learn how to design this set, you can follow the tutorial here, and the upside of the video has a card with the playlist including all the parts needed to do this design. Remember, you can download in the first link of the description this PDF with all the drawings needed to design. I recommend you to try to do this part before I do the lesson. You can pause the video now, see the measurements here, and try to do by yourself. If you have some difficulties in the process, you can follow in the tutorial. To start, we can open the first part. And we need to start a new design. Select this plane. Start with this first line here. A vertical one. This is a 72 millimeters. With 14 and 3 millimeters. For the head, a circle. With 18 millimeters. A line and an arc. Here, line. And create an arc, 3 points here, here. Fix this point in this vertical line. This is 18 millimeters in radio. 18. The distance is 4 millimeters. You can cut these lines here. This distance is 30 millimeters. Apply this fillet with 1 millimeter here. Finish the sketch. Make a revolve here. Select X. New body. We can select a plane inside the party. We can select the slot by the center, here and here. That's okay. Create a constraint horizontally. The distance between is 34 millimeters. The radio here is 3 millimeters. The distance in the height is 45 and the distance is 12 millimeters. Here and here. 12 millimeters. The distance is 5 millimeters. To do that, we need to extend this line and this line, and select this center line and make this a normal. Finish the sketch, revolve, select the center line here, and cut operation. We need to make a circular pattern. Select the feature here. The X is the center and the quantity is 7. Here. We can apply some fillets, 1.5 in the base and 1 millimeter in the neck. Here is 1 millimeter and another fillet of 1.5 millimeter. And that's okay. This is the part here. It's the first of this playlist with all this part here with this collection. If you want to follow us to do another design, you can subscribe here in the channel and like, and see you in the next video. Thank you.